What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Pokemon video. What we got, Jats?
Hey! These ones.
We got these. So what we're going to do, open that one first. Whoever wins gets to open these bad boys.
Yeah.
Who's going to win?
Me.
No, I'm going to win. You must be thinking, where do I get this sick merch? It's only Beardy Collectibles. Look at that. Have a look on their store. They sell ETB boxes, they sell Pokemon cards, they sell pop figures, and yeah. Jump on their site, I'm going to link everything down below, and happy shopping. So, jump up.
I'm the one to slice it off.
You want to slice it up, go on in. Open it down the side. Can you do it?
How we slice?
There we go.
Now take it apart with your fingers.
That's it. Pass me the trusty samurai sword.
Sword, but it's just toy.
Just a toy. Oh, we got it the wrong way around, look. Whoop. Little keyring, look at that. Right, so what do we get in these boxes, Jax?
We get
We get the booklet.
that shows you every card that you can get.
Shows you every card you can get in there.
I
Like
only
that.
get one.
So you've got tiny little boxes there. You tick them off when you get them. And yeah. We'll have to try to do that one time. Right, what else do we get in there?
We get dices. Dices.
We get, one sec. So you get, how many cards, Jats?
9 cards.
9 cards. So you got 1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
no, not 10, 9. What else do we get, Jats?
Stinky energy.
Stinky energy. Look at that. Then we get the card dividers. They look so good.
And their boys are under the front of them.
Yeah, look at that. I like these. They're quite clever, them. Then we got the promo card. There's that.
These coins.
Yeah, go on and show the camera.
Okay.
The coins. Oh,
And dice.
we get some dice.
And we love coins.
Then we got the Pokemon sleeves.
Just Pokemon sleeves.
So when you get good cards, you open them up, put a sleeve in, it protects them. Oh, nearly forgot.
The card.
The promo card.
Promo
You
card.
want to show them the code? There we go. There's the code, if anyone uses that. Right, let's move these out the way.
Then we get everything.
You can open the Pokemon cards. Lovely singing. Right. So 1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Where are we getting 11 from?
That's 9.
Right, now we're all set up. We're going to get the cameras ready. And let's start opening.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Right, you need to jump up. You need to jump up.
Dad didn't use by his
Ah. Oh, she's karate kicking you.
I can
Right, because we won. Girls, calm down. because we won, we get to open first.
Okay.
And Scarlett picked this one, so sit back, Jax.
I don't know,
Right, here we go.
I'm going to use this like getting over cat
Right.
meow.
Promo card.
Promo card.
You want the promo card? There we go. So you go one from the back.
What energy do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be grass.
I think it's going to be fire.
Fire. Oh, still. So we've got
I know
Dark
it's
Tricks.
still. I know.
Persian,
I just want it.
Gogrunk, Stuffle, Galvantula, Sylveon. I like that Sylveon. Sylveon's wicked. Stuffle again. Got a hollow version.
This guy
Horsey.
flying.
There we
This
go.
kitten is like the
And
Gary
that's
Card.
our card.
Everyone
Cecilia. So 120. Go from the top.
here.
So Jats, what are we going to go for next? I know.
After I finish that one, I'm getting it. Because I want to get that. I want to go first.
Yeah, you're going after Scarlet, yeah? You get to pick one after. You go, Jats.
You have napped.
Okay, take them, and put them out of the way. You've got to show the camera first.
Wow.
Alright, promo card.
What energy do you think it's going to be?
Oh, I think it's going to be fire this time.
I think it's going to be grass.
Oh, fire!
I know it's fire. I said it's fire.
Drowsy,
I know it's fire.
Seadra, Varoom,
The room.
Genesect,
The set.
Night Stretcher,
I'm holding this.
oh, is that your last card?
Yes.
Oh, he's beaten me, look.
By 20.
Never heard.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so Jackson wins that one.
I want to get this one because I
Right.
want to get this one.
Let me open it then. Right, so
We'll go and mash it around.
alright,
That's
here we
what
go.
I win, Luke.
Right, come on girls, we gotta win. Alright, code card. You want code card?
Yeah.
Right, what's the energy gonna be, girls?
Water.
Water.
Water. I'm gonna say grass. Ready? Oh, psychic.
Another
Me and Jackson.
Yeah.
Another one.
The room.
Not for one room.
Houndoom.
Eevee.
Eevee! We love an Eevee card. Alright, Hypno.
It's the
Weevil.
evil.
Duskull.
Possible.
Crobat. Oh! Look at that.
We
So what
mash.
we're going to do, obviously the last card is that, so we're going to pick that as our next one. But we've got a nice art card there, look at that.
Rubbish.
Yeah? Right, come
I'm
on
going
Jack.
to choose this one.
No, it's got it.
No, it's Jackson's turn first.
Scarlet just yeah. Dad,
Yeah.
the last one I'm letting you. The last one can be yours.
Code card.
What energy do we think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be grass.
Grass.
I think it's going to be fire.
Oh, oh, look at that. That's a fancy,
There's two of them.
right.
Go.
See how it shines.
Stein. And they're all pickable. Go. Yes.
Gravy.
No,
I'm
I'm
taking
Go.
another one.
Hypno. Weevil. No, Hypno. Cedra.
Look.
Oh, Daddy wins!
What did you get? Oh, we made 10. Only made 10.
Look at that. Daddy wins the next one.
Whoa!
Right.
It's 1-1.
Daddy needs to pick out his magic. Ready? He's going to pick out his magic. Sit back, Jack. Pick out his magic.
Take it.
That one.
I made bad luck.
You made bad luck?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jackson's made bad luck, apparently.
And then I will choose the good one.
No way, Jose.
Oh no! Not a Jackson card.
Code card. You want code card? There we go.
Darling,
Right.
I use this card.
Energy. What energy are we picking?
Fire.
Fire?
I think it's going to be water.
I think it's going to be grass. Ready? Yeah. Oh, steel. You want that one, do
The
you?
next one's water.
Cedra. Go back.
Another one.
Persian. Prima.
Another one.
Come on. Give me something good. Oh.
I'm choosing this one.
Look at those cards.
I'm choosing this one.
140 was your last one.
140.
Choosing this one.
That was
They're good
bad
cards.
luck. I'm going to get the good luck one. That's going to
I'm
be
choosing this one.
over 140.
Can you put it down, please?
This one's going to be over 140.
Dad. I'm holding it. I'm
Yeah, I'll do these ones. Look.
Oh, yes I did.
Okay.
I have a close
Where's the hold that one?
Mama. I'm doing magic to Mom. I'm having bad luck to Jackson's.
Bad luck to Jackson's, are ya?
Yeah.
That's fine. Right. Code card.
What energy do you think it's going to be?
Oh, I think it's going to be, you know, the thing is going to be psychic.
So I think it's going to be still.
Oh, fighting.
I know it's fighting. I said fighting.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
You
did.
cheeky monkey.
Another Evie.
Another Eevee. Not Eevees though.
Easy. Why do I
Oh,
Look
that's
at
a
that
nice
card.
Yeah, look
Look
at that.
at this one.
Oh, you're getting some good ones today, aren't you?
I'll go take Jackson.
That's not.
I'll go take
Oh, you
Jackson's
beat me.
powers.
I told you.
I'm taking all Jackson's powers.
Right, Jackson's won that one. Let's bring it down a bit. There we go. Right, so it's 2-1 to Jackson at the moment.
These
I
are some
like
good
the
looking
one
cards.
They're good, aren't they? Look, let's show the camera. There we go. Ancient cards. We'll put that over there.
That one looks like it's made out of tiles.
Look at that. Right, girls, take a pick. What one we're going to do? We're going to do that one, or that one?
Or that one.
That's
Oh yeah.
You want that one?
I done.
What's it back?
I want to do this one.
Sit back, please.
I want it.
1 minute.
I want to plan it. I want to make it.
There we go. 1 minute.
We don't need to smack it.
Right, here we go. Code card.
Card.
You want code card? There we go.
God, it's taking all my clothes.
Right, what are we thinking now?
I'm thinking fire.
I think psychic. Ready?
Electric.
Electric.
I know it. I said electric.
Electric.
You didn't say anything.
Oh,
Scott.
no, we're getting loads of EVs today.
Yeah, that's like the fourth Evie.
Cedra. Oh,
Me.
oh, oh. Irene, that's a nice card. That. Oh, look at that.
170.
That's a nice card. That.
Wait, was that your last one? No, if that was your last one.
Look at that. There we go.
There are
Your one
only
was
two more.
160.
There's only two more.
I'm gonna choose this one because Skylar cast bad luck on that.
Right, come on. We got to beat them.
God,
Ah,
what is
Wait, what's the score?
it's 2-1 to you.
Wait, so if you win this, then we'll have to do rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, we'll have to do rock, paper, scissors.
Well, best out of
Oh, yeah.
three. Best out of
Let's start at 3, yeah?
Who will win this one?
I don't think I'm gonna beat 100.
Oh, there's drop cards everywhere.
Luckily, they didn't all go into the fight and miss that fire. Okay, what
cards.
energy do we think it's gonna be?
I think it's going to be grass this time.
I think it's gonna be fire.
Oh,
Psychic.
guys, to have the last one. So.
Beware.
I'm getting some good cards.
Drowsy.
Where's the more than other cards? Oh, Jackson has some.
Sylveon.
I got the ball. And the.
Oh, that's a nice card.
Wait, can I use that one as my last card?
A ball.
I don't know where, I don't even know where my last card is.
Is it EX? Is it EX?
That card, look at that.
Who will win this one?
190 EX.
Who will win this
Wait,
one?
so I won.
You won.
Yeah!
Look at that.
I'm opening all
Oh,
four.
let me-
I'm opening all four.
Right, girls. Girls, please stop.
My one.
Give it to Jackson.
Give it to me.
Right, sit down, please. Right, let's move all these out of the way.
So we can get the good cards. I don't think you can get better than 190 EX.
Oh, you dropped one on the floor.
I knew Skylar first. Good, bad
It's
luck
alright,
on
don't worry
this.
about it. We'll pick it up after, we'll clean up. Ugh.
I knew Skylar could cast bad luck on this one and not the other one.
You're not the pen. You're not the pen. You're not the pen. I don't know,
Right,
Come on,
let's take these over there.
Jack.
Code card.
What energy?
Jack.
Come on, fire.
I'll say fighting. Oh, he smashed it. Drowsy. Absol.
Imagine this is another EX.
Imagine that. Gen 6.
What a good card.
Night Straptor. What you got, Jack?
It looks like a good one.
Oh, you called it.
EX!
You called it, didn't you? Another EX. Oh, we was picking all the wrong packs, weren't we?
You should have chosen that
Oh,
one.
we should have.
Okay, now time to open.
Now we're going on to the Stellar Crown. We've
I'm
got
opening the
I
spider
got
first.
it from the new one. I
Oh,
got it from the new one.
What?
Can you stop touching, please? Right.
Okay.
Code card.
What
There we
energy do
go.
we think it's gonna be?
Oh, I think it's going to be electric.
I think it's gonna be fighting.
Oh, water.
I
That's a cool card. Look at that. You got a lot of designs on them, though.
Oh, look at that.
That's that one.
Turtle.
Oh, can we get down? Boop.
I know it's
No.
I know.
Have we been choosing? These ones. Oh, 200.
200. Look at that. Rhyperia.
Okay, next card. That one was easy to open.
Code cards. There we go.
What do we think its energy think it's going to be?
Oh, I think it's going to be water this time.
I think it's going to be electric.
Oh, water.
Electric.
Joltik. Toedscool. Chinchou. That's a cool card, that one.
Yeah.
Slowking.
It looks like a good one.
Oh, it's going to be a good one. Oh!
Another
You got a crystallised one. Look at that.
Skylar, no, Skylar, pass it here.
No, Jackson's open because he won, didn't he? He won.
That's like the best card.
Look at that.
320.
That is
I'm holding
sick. You're going to hold it, are you? Right.
That's the 30X.
That's okay.
We should get one of these.
Oh.
We should get some of these packets again. Because then we're putting up beggars for these packets. Oh yeah, I forgot to
Turn around. Turn around.
turn it around. Okay.
Right.
What energy do we think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be electric.
I think it's going to be...
I think it's what?
Fighting.
I said fighting.
Farting?
No, fighting.
Farting?
I said fighting. I think there are...
Rapid dash. Oh, you got another good card there, Jats. Oh! Earthworm! Look at that. Give it back here, sorry. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, I got some good cards. We need to do a tidy up. Then we need to get all the good cards in one pile.
There's still one packet left.
There's still one packet left. Come on, EX card, EX card, EX card. Come on. EX card. Right.
Look, this.
There's a code card.
Lava! I think it's lava.
Fire? You think it's fire? I think it's water.
I think it's going to be fighting.
Oh!
I think it's fire.
Look, robots.
Beep.
Ow! Wait.
Is this going to be a good card?
Oh, is it going to be? What's it going to be? Oh, that's a different one. I don't think we've got that one.
Not an EX. But
Right, that is time. Right, what we've got to do, we've got to clean all these cards up. We've got to put everything away, rubbish in the bins. Oh, there we go. Right, Jats, let's have a look at these 6 cards. Right. Pokey Vital A. That's the one Jackson pulled.
the insane EX.
Insane one. Okie dokie. Look at that one. That's a fancy name, isn't it?
Earthworm.
Earthworm.
These are not coins.
Look at that.
These are pop coins.
I think I've got that card. I need to have a look in the folder. Iron Moth. Ancient. Future, sorry. The other one's ancient. This one's ancient. Slitherwing. Blood Moon. That's the first. I think the first one. We got a Blood Moon one, to be honest. Yeah, the rest of just normal shinies.
Dad!
So yeah, next time, Daddy needs to pick the box so he can win.
What if you choose the bad ones?
I don't think so. Daddy's got to win. Daddy's got to win. Daddy's got to win. Right. So we're going to get rid of these. We're going to get the folders out and put these in the folders. And yeah, we go get another box.
Yeah.
We get the same one as the single pack. And that is a wrap, guys. This man has done it again. He's only beaten us. Right. Like I said, next time.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
No, not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Next time, I'm picking a Pokemon box. Beat this kid.
No, you're not.
I'm going to win next time. And yeah. Like I said, check out the merch. Everything's going to be down below. They're dropping a new set of Funko Pops soon. So yeah, definitely check that out. Might be something you like. And we'll see you on the next one. So what you want to do, Jax?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.